is back in session and calls number 329-670, case of style of state of Texas versus Ronald Lee Wally. We have Mr. Wally appearing via Zoom. Mr. Wally, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Wally, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Wally, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Wally, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Wally?
Doing fine. How about you, sir?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Wally, I have before me a document that is titled the information that has been filed by the district attorney's office. This information alleges that on or about March 26th of 2021, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of evading arrest, detention. Mr. Wally, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Mr. Wally, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I'll plead guilty.
Now, Mr. Wally, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Wally, are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Wally, I have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor P Admonishments. On page, it is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. On page 2 of this document, Mr. Wally, there are a set of initials R or W on a line that is next to a box that's checked guilty. Mr. Wally, did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
And on page 3 of the same document, there is a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Mr. Wally, did you sign this document?
Yes, sir.
I have another document before me, Mr. Wally, that is titled Trial Court Certification of the Defendant's Right of Appeal. Mr. Wally, at the bottom of this document, there is a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Mr. Wally, did you sign this document?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, Mr. Wally, there are 2 boxes that are checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Wally, did you sign a document out there on paper that is titled Discovery Certification?
He's getting ready to sign it now, Your Honor.